Because it strengthens our immune system, the onion is a well-liked food that is frequently used as a condiment in many meals. It is also excellent at preventing and fighting numerous illnesses. It can treat cancer because it has quercetin, saponin, allicin, and anthocyanin. This can treat colds, infections, the flu, asthma, allergies, high blood pressure, and bad cholesterol. This explains why onions have been used for thousands of years to treat a wide range of illnesses. Check out the following advice to make the most of one of the healthiest foods. 1. Serves as a decongestant. Consider the following. Crush an onion. Combine it with a little extra virgin coconut oil to make a paste. Apply it to your chest. Cover it with a towel. Put clothing on top. Continue until you start to feel warm. Take off the towel and rinse your chest. 2. It can lower a fever. Even though it may seem unusual to put an onion in your sock, this technique works wonders at bringing down a high fever. Half an onion. Put on one sock with one half of the onion in it. Put on the other sock with the other half. The onion should then be rubbed on the bottoms of your feet. Your body temperature should drop swiftly. 3. Alleviates coughing. Peel the onion. Cut into thick pieces. In a glass jar, put the slices in layers. Sprinkle brown sugar on top and seal the jar. Let it steep for at least 6 hours. Afterward, you'll have natural cough syrup, and whenever you feel the need, take a teaspoon of this syrup. Every 2 days, create a fresh batch. Consult a healthcare provider if your symptoms worsen or if your cough persists. 4. Helps relieve colicky children. Cut an onion into pieces. Boil in water. After the liquid has cooled, strain it. Every hour, until the symptoms go away, give your child a teaspoon of this tea. 5. Relieves insect bites. Here is when the onion's antihistaminic qualities are useful. When stung by a bee or wasp, a small amount of grated onion put directly on the skin can help ease the pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties will lessen any swelling. Keep the onion in place with gauze until the pain goes away. Change the gauze frequently. Most people don't like onions because they make their breath smell bad, but you can fix this by chewing on some parsley leaves. You can also eat nuts like almonds or walnuts. You may keep onions on your countertop for up to a month because they are long-lasting. Did you like learning about the health advantages of onions? Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.